This video will give you a quick look at how to reduce the file size of a PowerPoint presentation so you can easily upload it to your online courses or attach it to emails. If your presentation includes high-quality images or video, it can have a significant effect on your file size, and you'll need to take different steps to compress your file depending on the type of media your presentation includes. I'm going to start by showing you how to reduce the size of images in your presentation. First, you want to navigate to a slide that includes an image. Select the image, and then click the Format tab, which will appear at the top of the screen. Once you're here, click Compress Pictures to view compression options. Note that Apply Only to this picture is checked by default. If I want to compress all pictures in the presentation, I'll need to make sure I uncheck this option. Next, just select the document size under Target Output, and then click OK to begin compressing your file. Sometimes certain output options may be grayed out when you're compressing pictures. This occurs when the selected picture has a resolution below the level of the grayed out options. In this case, only file sizes smaller than the current file will be available for selection. If you have a video included in your presentation, you'll need to take a different route to compress the file. Start by clicking File, select Info, and from here you can view your total presentation size on the right, and you can compress your video by clicking Compress Media on the left. You can change the quality from presentation quality to internet quality or low quality. And once you make a selection, you'll be able to see your files as they're being resized. Once this process is complete, all you have to do is save your presentation and it'll be ready to share. And as always, if you need any assistance, feel free to contact the library.